Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 2 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter the material prices on 3 cost workup sheets. Example item 2.2.41 Input Finish Base Substrate Side Left Strip Price. Part of the identification of a piece of material are the location and or position the item has on the fixture or component. For this example, location is base substrate, position is left side. On the table's definitions and abbreviations sheet, Table 17, diagram of the cost workup sheet demonstrates the structure. Instead of a fixed front panel, the pedestal base has a door. The door is inset on all 4 sides. The edge of the left side abuts the inset door opening. Because that edge is visible, it requires laminate finish. The laminate strip is a small item and it has to be included in the cost workup. Each small laminate strip requires cutting and application time. Row 734 is FINISH SBRT SIDELEFT TTB STRIP, which means finish substrate side left top to bottom strip. Top to bottom TTB is a direction from the customer's point of view. Enter $2.05 per square foot for plastic laminate in cell T734. When the price is entered in cell T734, the total material cost, 64 cents, for that piece of material is calculated in cell X734. Do not change the item description in column K. Formulae in the application use column K descriptions. After entering the price, return to the instruction sheet by selecting the tab to the left along the bottom of the window. This example 2.2.41 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 2.2.42.